Cleaning between your teeth is all about reaching the surfaces that your toothbrush doesn't reach. So your toothbrush is going to get the smooth surfaces along here, and as far on the biting surfaces as actually can be reached. So using brushes is a great way of actually cleaning bacterial biofilm or plaque biofilm off either side of the tooth surfaces that are in contact with each other. But size really matters. If you're using something too small, it's not actually going to clean and make contact with the surfaces of the tooth. If you try and use something too big, it's not actually going to fit without force and potentially being quite uncomfortable to use. So what you need to do, and it's best discussed with your dental professional, is get advice on the right size for your mouth and your spaces, because you may need 2 or 3 different sizes. As you can see here, where there's quite tight contact points between the teeth and very little space, you're going to obviously need a smaller brush. Whereas back here, you can see that there's much larger spaces where a small brush going in and out of there hardly makes contact, but where you actually take a bigger brush, you can see it cleans very well in between the 2 teeth. So if you think how a bottle brush would actually clean the neck of a bottle, but you need to get the contact of the whole surfaces with the bristles to actually do the cleaning that you require. So always use the right size. And don't forget, if you have had gum problems and your gums have receded and you have the roots exposed and the split where the roots join the crown of the tooth, you need to clean this area. These areas are high risk areas for bacteria to collect. So it's really important that you get those in there. 3 or 4 times each space. Take your time, watch what you're doing in the mirror. Not go there, so we need a smaller brush. Some people find it easier to use the ones with handles. Other people are perfectly okay with them like this. Whatever brand you use, just make sure the size does actually fit and make contact. Otherwise you'll poke food out, but you'll not actually clean off the bacterial biofilm.